So scale is the relative dimensions of an element measured by some percentage or numerical value. Okay. Now there are some advantages of scale. So scale helps bring some form of consistency in your UI. So let's say how your device or your UI would look on desktop, and then how it will look on mobile devices, and then on tablets. Okay, so you'd have to scale your UI elements so that they fit all these the various pixels of the screen sizes, of these devices. It could be iOS or Android. So how your UI would look on a tablet should be different from how it would look on a mobile device. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Okay, so there's an example of scaling. Okay, so let's say this is 100%, and then there's a different percentage, so in that receding order. So here you could see this looks bigger than this, and then than this. Okay, so let's say this is a desktop. So how this would appear on the desktop would be different from how it would appear on a mobile device. Okay, so we have this responsive design. If you use responsive design, you would notice that the way websites would look on a desktop will be different from the way it would look on a mobile device. The elements might change, positions of the elements might change depending on the screen size of the device that the person is using or your user is using. Okay, so this is an example of scale. Then it helps in some form of a visual hierarchy. Okay, so some kind of importance is given to objects that are scaled, or UI element that are being scaled. So that's a perfect example of scale.